Alright, so today I have a quick video for you guys. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make $1,000 online. Um, Basically, you're easily able to make money on YouTube. I mean, a lot of you have never even hit the benchmark, and I'm talking to you guys who haven't made $1,000. And check it out before you start saying this video, not even account, this video, 2K. This video, 400, and plus it cost me 30 bucks, and I just left it there. The account just making money out of thin air. The account just laying there, and it's almost made me a K for free. This video, another K. This video, 3.6 million views, almost 1,000. Right? And before all you guys start saying stuff, settings, US dollar. Right? I mean, it's automatically refreshing all the time. You'll see it throughout this video. But all of these are examples of how easy it is to make money on YouTube. You post a video from, for example, 200 days ago in this case, 96 days ago, 162 days ago, and yeah, it's just gonna continue performing. Now, after some point, it dies off, right? This point, it's dead. But for a good month, you're getting growth, right? You get a bunch more of these videos out, you'll make money, but you have to understand that not all videos are worth going viral. You have to understand how or why a video goes viral. Why is this person going viral and you're not? You're watching this video because most likely you need help going viral, and it's really not that difficult. It's not that difficult. I mean, this is all different pages. This is a long form video that did 1 million views, and by the way, it's my first long form channel since swapping to YouTube. I used to do TikTok shorts. I'd never done long form before. I came to YouTube because TikTok had its issues. It wasn't really the best place, not anymore. But I came to YouTube and I was like looking around. I started a shorts channel. Did that. Look, I found a long form niche and I just started it. Got an editor, went along. This video cost me 30 bucks, I remember, right? The editor got a paycheck because it did this much. But my first channel, it just blew up, right? Once you know how, you'll be able to do it. I did it on TikTok. If you guys really want me to, I'll make a video on what I did on TikTok. And plus, TikTok is where a lot of clipping and a lot of like niches came from. So I'm seeing a lot of TikTok niches being moved to YouTube, and they're blowing up because TikTok itself has tons of niches. But back to context, this video, I posted it, and that's it. Look at that. Just, I mean, took a little bit, right? But it was not bad. And a lot of you are struggling for years. But this is my, like, first real long-form channel I've started. And it just blew up, right? And then look, another one I started. You have another video, and I stopped posting on this channel. And for some reason, I stopped posting, and for some reason, it just started doing revenue. So I'm like, oh, do I continue posting? It's still monetized. I stopped posting because it was just low ROI, return on investment. I'm paying like $20 to $30 per long form video. I'm spending a lot of time scripting on thumbnails, and by the end of it, I made pennies, right? And I'm like, get out of here. Shorts was so much better. I left, and this month was like the months that I've not been posting for the past like month or two. It's been making more money than when I was posting. Do I know why? No. Do I care? No. The idea is your past videos will go viral. You just have to know how to make a good video. Good video will pay off. This one, I posted it and I kept posting. I posted another video on day 3, but it's going viral. So I'm posting. This video goes viral and other ones do too. And a lot of you I keep seeing this DMs on DMs. You show me your channels, and I'm seeing horrible videos. You're posting 240 videos, and they're all horrible quality. You're spam posting, and you're like, why am I not going viral? Or better yet, you've been on this platform for like 6 months and not getting any or more. I've seen 2 years and no progress. I've been on this platform for like 6 months or whatever long this is. I don't know. Big deal. Is it any different? No. However long this is, right? However long that is, that's how long I've been on this platform. I was doing TikTok at the time, and I moved to YouTube, instantly blew up. The same principles apply for all content. A good video is a good video. A good niche is a good niche. And you have to understand that before you start complaining that you deserve views. You don't deserve views. You need to learn how to make good content for a good opportunity. All of these videos I posted in, the niches are banger opportunities at the time. And over time, you kind of build an audience, right? And you can continue posting the videos, have that audience come back, watch your videos, and you'll get views. And that's just how YouTube is. But obviously, you need to continue having quality. Now, I'm not going to continue talking. I just brought a few examples how easy it is to make $1,000. Look at this video. 3.6 million views. And in like what? Like at this, like after like 30 days. Like, I don't know if revenue shows for some reason. Yeah. Like 30 days I made 500. Come on. And you guys are still struggling to make $1,000. The second you make your first like 1,000 on YouTube, everything gets easier. If you know the meme, you know it. I understand it now. That's how you feel the second you do it. I wish you luck. I hope you make money, and I'll see you in the next one.